Hi guys, I'm talking you through my Norco side race bike. It's a custom color for the race team. We all have a silver sparkly color for the teams, all with different color decals. For this race we choose to ride the Fox 38 with 170 of travel. Just gives us a bit more confidence on the rough descents. We're riding the EXC 1200 Deity Swiss carbon wheels with a WTB verdict tire up front in tough casing, high grip on the front, and the Judge high grip, tough fast rolling on the back. On the back we are riding a Cashcore XC tire insert, which helps quite a lot with a bit of extra damping, and in case of a flat tire it helps to get the tire still out in the bead so you can finish the stage. Then we are riding a E13 drivetrain 32 ring up front with a 950 cassette on the back. Magura MT7 brakes with 4 pistons for maximum braking power.
What size rotors do you run?
Up front we have a 203 rotor, and in the back 180.
180 on the rear.
Yeah.
Okay. And the cockpit?
Cockpit, Deity carbon up front, the Deity Skywire carbon handlebar cut to 760 millimeters. Then in the brakes we're opting for the Loic Rooney levers, which is a real nice feel in the hands, and it helps a lot with fatigue. And then what do we have? We have a new X2 2021 Fox shock with the damping quite far open, rebound rather on the fast side.
Yeah.
And yeah, what we really remarked with the new shock is a lot more sensibility, especially in fast bumps. Yeah, it really helps you just basically truck through those Zermatt crazy rocks here. Yeah.
For this race, what tyre pressures are you running?
On the front I always ride 1.45 bars in front and 1.55 bars in the back.
And is there a tyre insert in the front for this race?
And the front, no tyre insert.
No tyre insert. Yeah. And what pressures and damping are you running in the fork?
In the fork, 83 psi, high speed, fully open, compression side, low speed, like 6 clicks, and rebound 6 and 7 clicks.
Very good. Yeah. What crank length do you run?
Crank length is 170. The E13 TRS Plus carbon. Yeah.
Is there anything specific about this race that you've had to make changes to your bike for?
Usually we ride the bike with 160 fork.
Yeah.
For here we changed to a 170 fork as it's mainly descending, not a lot of climbing, and the stages are quite technically demanding, so it really helps to just blast through the rocks for sure.
Ideal.
And then we have a nice little custom thing here, our WTB Diva saddle with a special design. It's like the same that we have on our shirts here. A drawing that Anka Martin made for us, and yeah, we have those shirts here for our Swiss fans, so it's really cool to see them along the track.
Very good. Thanks very much, Caro.
Thank you.
Cheers.